This is a Grundig Music Boy, a little AM/FM shortwave receiver. Actually found it in hard rubbish on the side of the road. I couldn't leave it there. Picked it up. Seems to work all right. The only issue is that the tuning dial is incredibly stiff. It still functions, but a bit difficult to change the channel. So decided to crack it open and have a bit of a look. So there's just a couple of screws to get to the tuning mechanism. This board section needs to come out. There's a few sort of hidden screws there, so the dial face needs to come out first, and underneath there is another screw which holds the PCB in. And so you can see the mechanism there, incredibly stiff, and there's actually the grease in in that little area here. So I just gave it a bit of a spray with some lubricant. That loosened it up almost instantly. And that was all that was required to get it as new again. Piece it all back together and we'll give it a test.
For the day, yes.
And humans on the street. I know this is often considered contradictory, but for me, it absolutely doesn't feel like that.
Yeah, trust me, your paintbrush and roller quality does matter.
It moves very smoothly now. The sound out of this thing is actually quite good. So glad I picked it up. I'd be sad to see this go into the hard rubbish, into landfill.
Bowling. For T's and C's, zonebowling.com.
Alright, thanks for watching.